Assalamu alaikum. Right now I am in Ziauddin. Actually, this place is so good. When we came in English Fantasy, they also provide us outdoor session. For today's outdoor session, we are in Ziauddin. Actually, Ziauddin is a very historical place. There are very beautiful view also. In this Ziauddin, we can learn many things. In Ziauddin, we can meet. We also with my friends, hang out with my friends, and we also have done many things. In English Fantasy, they also provide to go outdoor session with many sites. Like Seven Domes, also Shohid Park. But today we are in Ziauddin. In Ziauddin, we also learn many things, so as well as I said it before. Behind this, there are so many people who come to hang out with others. Thank you, sir.